told you that one stock trading under $1 right now has the potential to 5x, maybe even 10x, if just a few key catalysts hit over the next 12 to 24 months. I'm not talking about hype. I'm not talking about meme pumps. I'm talking about a deeply undervalued microcap sitting in a massive global industry shift. And almost nobody on retail radar is paying attention yet. In today's market, finding true asymmetric opportunities is rare. Most large cap stocks move 10%, maybe 20% on great earnings, but penny stocks under $1. When the fundamentals align with the right catalyst, these names can go absolutely parabolic. And the stock we're breaking down today fits that high risk, high reward profile perfectly. This is a must watch if you're serious about small caps, speculative growth plays, and getting positioned before the crowd, because by the time Wall Street analysts start upgrading it, the easy money is already gone. So today, we're diving deep into one of the most interesting under $1 penny stocks on the market right now. Bolt Projects Holdings, ticker symbol BSLK. Before we jump in, I need a quick favor. If you want me to keep bringing you high conviction penny stock research like this, smash that like button. Let's aim for 500 likes on this video. It tells me you want more deep dives like this. And if you're serious about finding the next breakout small cap before it runs, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss the next opportunity. Now, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything in this video is for educational, informational purposes only. Penny stocks are extremely volatile and high risk. You must do your own due diligence before investing your hard-earned money. All right, let's talk about BSLK, Bolt Projects. Holdings operates in the advanced biomaterial space. At its core, this is a company focused on developing sustainable bio-based alternatives to traditional materials. Their technology centers around engineered proteins inspired by spider silk, but produced through fermentation and biotechnology rather than harvesting from nature. Why does that matter? Because sustainability is not a niche anymore. It's a global megatrend. The beauty, cosmetics, personal care, textile, and materials industries are under massive pressure to replace petroleum-based and environmentally damaging ingredients with biodegradable, renewable alternatives. That's where Bolt Projects comes in. Their flagship ingredient platform focuses on plant-based biodegradable silk proteins that can be used in beauty formulations and potentially other industrial applications. In a world where ESG investing, clean beauty, cruelty-free ingredients, and sustainable supply chains are becoming standard, not optional, Bolt is positioned in the right industry at the right time. Now, let's talk numbers. As of now, BSLK trades under $1, placing it firmly in penny stock territory. Its market cap sits in micro-cap range, meaning it doesn't take billions of dollars of buying pressure to move the stock. Even moderate institutional interest or strong revenue acceleration could dramatically re-prick the company. And that's where the opportunity lies, because right now, the valuation reflects skepticism. The market is pricing this as a struggling early-stage company burning cash. But what happens if revenue stabilizes and begins accelerating? What happens if partnerships scale? What happens if commercialization expands? In microcap land, perception shifts fast. Let's talk about the industry opportunity. The global sustainable materials and clean beauty market is growing at a rapid pace, projected to reach tens of billions of dollars over the next decade. Consumers are demanding non-toxic biodegradable ingredients. Major cosmetic brands are reformulating. Retailers are emphasizing sustainability credentials. Bolt's technology directly aligns with that shift. Now, here's the undervaluation argument. Early-stage companies often trade at depressed valuations during scaling phases because they're investing heavily in growth. R&D manufacturing scale-up commercialization channels that creates near-term losses, and Wall Street hates uncertainty. But in microcaps, the inflection point, when revenue growth outpaces burn, can cause explosive upside. If Bolt demonstrates revenue traction, expands customer contracts, or improves margins, the market could quickly re-rate the stock. Let's talk financial trajectory. Like many early-stage growth companies, Bolt has faced losses. Cash burn is a real factor. That's part of the risk. But what serious penny stock investors look for is direction. Are losses shrinking? Is revenue trending upward? Our operating efficiency is improving. If those metrics begin showing turnaround signs, that becomes fuel. Now, let's discuss catalysts. First, commercialization updates. Any major distribution agreement, expanded supply contract, or new brand partnership could immediately change investor sentiment. Second, earnings reports. Microcaps can move 30%, 50%, even 100% on strong earnings surprises, especially when expectations are low. Third, potential strategic partnerships. If Bolt partners with a recognizable global beauty or materials company, credibility skyrockets overnight. Fourth, capital structure improvements. If the company strengthens its balance sheet, reduces dilution risk, or secures non-dilutive funding that removes one of the biggest fears hanging over penny stocks. Now, let's address dilution because we have to be real. Many sub-1 stocks issue shares to raise capital. That's a risk. Investors need to monitor filings carefully. But here's the flip side. If Bolt reaches a stage where it no longer needs heavy dilution because revenue supports operations, the narrative changes fast, and narrative shifts drive penny stock explosions. Let's talk upside math. When a stock trades at 50, a move to $2 is a 4x. A move to $5 is a 10x. That sounds extreme. But in microcap, biotech, and materials plays, it's happened many times historically when commercialization clicks. The question isn't, can it go up? The question is, does the risk-reward justify a small speculative allocation? Because smart penny stock investors don't go all in. They position size appropriately, they understand volatility, they accept that some will fail, but one big winner can cover multiple losses. That's the game. Now let's discuss what would make this stock go parabolic. Strong quarter-over-quarter revenue growth, improved gross margins, major partnership announcements, industry validation, institutional accumulation, short squeeze potential if sentiment flips. When a low float microcap under $1 starts building momentum, it doesn't grind slowly, it spikes. But again, this is high risk. This is not a guaranteed investment. This is speculative growth. You have to be comfortable with volatility. So who is this stock for? It's for investors who understand microcap risk, are looking for asymmetric upside, can tolerate short-term swings, believe in long-term sustainability trends. It is not for conservative dividend investors. It is not for retirement safe capital. It is not for people who panic sell on red days. Now imagine this scenario. Bolt secures a large-scale beauty brand contract. Revenue accelerates meaningfully. Losses narrow. Market cap re-rates. Retail volume surges. Analysts initiate coverage. Suddenly, the same stock trading at 60 is trading at $3. That's how penny stocks re-prick. And that's why we look early, not after it's trending on every finance page. Let me be very clear again. This is not financial advice. You must read filings. You must understand dilution risk. You must research the balance sheet. You must evaluate management credibility. But if you're building a high-risk, high-reward microcap watch list, BSLK deserves a spot on that radar. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think sustainable materials is the next big growth wave? Do you believe BSLK has 5x potential? Or do you think the risks outweigh the upside? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Rank this stock from about 1 to 10. Tell me what price target you're watching. If you found value in this deep dive, smash that like button. Let's hit 500 likes. Subscribe if you want consistent penny stock research. Turn on that bell so you never miss early setups. And follow me on Twitter, Dex, where I post real-time market thoughts and small cap updates. Remember, big money is made by getting early and managing risk properly. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next breakout.